Another little rope just to pull this bit. I'd rather be sure. I think it's going to go anyway, but I'd rather know after all this. Then it's something with a little bit. Sod law.
Yeah.
Go!
What should we do?
If you have to, mate, do it. But I really don't want you to. Yeah, I'll cut it and then swing in it and it'll just take it. You catch me, yeah. I've got a feeling it'll go anyway, but I'd rather be sure. Be sure, be sure.
Please, no.
What's up? Hot up here. It's getting a little bit big for my little topper. How's that cutting? You got 15 on there, haven't you? 14. Okay.
Ready?
Go back. Sweet, thank you,